What is going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on the video. I first off just want to say thanks for clicking on the video and make sure to check out our Instagram. It's at ND Outdoors. So this was actually filmed a few days, well, not a few days, a few weeks after this hunt was filmed, and this hunt was pretty good. We kind of smoked them, let's put it that way. The conditions were not the best. The night before it rained about a couple inches, so we were going through a lot of slop, and we actually got a four-wheeler, so that helped out a ton. And we were hunting with Hunting Sodak, and they were really cool. We met up with a couple new people, also really cool, and we had about seven shooters, I think, and we put a beat down on them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and catch you guys at the end of the video. Oh.
I got the end of the decoys and flare.
Go!
That one's walking. Oh, yeah. Shoot the walker.
I'll shoot him. I'll go.
Don't shoot a decoy.
Yeah, give me a shell. Give me a shell.
Poke, dude.
Oh. Shoot him.
That was a poke.
Well, whoever was shooting on the right is,
that's a far shot.
That's a poke. I don't know what these are. Yeah, they're small.
There's singles coming in there. We're gonna shoot.
No, look at the group on the right. Wait, I have no shells in my gun?
Are you serious?
I guess.
What'd you do? You got no shells in your gun.
Come on, fly over. Fly over.
Snow? Oh, no, never mind.
Oh, that's a sailor in the water. 4. If they fly over, we shoot them?
That should be a poke.
Not really.
Boom! That one's going out.
Good shot. That one's sailing.
Did you see me smoke that?
on, just do it. There's specks in that.
Hey,
See the small birds in front? Those are specks.
these two up here or the smaller ones?
They're here, this group. Yeah, this group. Hey, get the walker. Watch your mouth.
I didn't know you get cold.
Are we shooting these four? Shoot 'em. Go. I know that one's a drake. I saw one go down.
Late, I just got late and he just started shooting. He had no clue what
Dude, should we just take what we can get, bro?
There's four right here. I'll show you where
Wait. Are we not going? Bruh. Why aren't we shooting, bro?
What are we doing?
What do you say if the single comes in to shoot this one? And the one's on the ground? Yeah, there's two on the ground out there.
Two on the ground.
There's two on the ground in this single.
Or we can wait for the ducks on the right.
Should we shoot the single here? There's two in the spread.
All right, shoot.
Hey.
Roll them. No.
Get that drake right there, right above the end. Oh, Stoger's not working.
Can't take it, bro.
What shells are those?
That's a drake. Yep.
Kill him. Kill the drake.
Right there. Oh my god. My gun is messed up.
Oh, that. Oh, you.
Got it. I'll go get him. There's another duck out there too.
He is dead as a duck. They all three drakes.
I don't know, I couldn't tell. They looked like widgeons, so. Come on, just lock up. Yeah. Go. There you go.
Jeez. Oh.
What? Heads up. I didn't know we were shooting.
What, we got two birds in the water back there? With the lambs, let them.
Okay. Wait, yeah. Hold up.
Are we shooting them?
Yeah. Shoot it!
Thunk.
He's dead.
What? You see, like, I love that sound. Great.
I don't. Shoot him up top.
No.
They were wedge. They were wedging.
I shot at that one.
Look at that one sailing.
No, that was me.
Those two, he's like, the hell is that one, like third or something?
Hey, they're coming over the top.
Hey, quit swearing, man. Quit swearing.
Kill him!
Tacklers. Shoot that man, shoot him!
I don't want to shoot a decoy.
Uh-oh.
Did we only get two out of that?
Don't hit the big house. Right,
Oh, shoot the dive bombs!
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
It's got jammed.
Mars.
Take these two.
If only. I don't have shells in my gun, bro.
Get loaded, Lars. There's a lot of birds out there. Shoot these four, dude. Honestly, Jody could go.
Shoot him!
Right above, right above. Yeah, get him.
I got him.
Tails.
Shoot him again. We're out of shells. Shoot him.
Let's go. Good shooting.
Another sailor.
Good shooting.
Who has fun with her, boy?
This guy does. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I couldn't get much of duck footage. All the ducks showed up basically right. Shut up. Most of the ducks, or not most, majority of the ducks showed up right before shooting light or right at shooting light, so I couldn't get much footage of that with the GoPro. This weekend we'll be going out deer hunting, so hopefully I get a video off for that. If not, oh well, we'll see what happens. And like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.